Hi, this is the HardReset YouTube channel, and today I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus device. So first let's open the settings app and then scroll down to the advanced features. Here you'll see the screenshots and screen recorder section. Just to change the sound settings, tap the sound section. Now we have selected here the media. We can also switch it to none to record the mood videos, or also to use media and microphone, for example, if you want to command something in your screen recordings. Also, we got one more way how we can launch the screen recorder settings. Just open notification panel shortcuts firstly, and you'll see here somewhere the screen recorder icon. Hold for a while this icon and you'll launch the same screen recorder settings. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.